Maybe you've been watching South African football or you love South African football. By now, I'm sure you know about this player. His name is Lucus Ribeiro. He's a Brazilian player. He plays for Mamelodi Sundowns. So here's my take about this boy. So I don't want to lie, guys, and I want to say this before I say anything else. I love South African football, and I'm not saying whatever I'm about to say just because I'm saying South African football is poor. But what I'm saying is, first thing first, Ribeiro is a good player, like number one, like he's out of this world, and he brings that Brazilian flavor that I feel like Motsepe loves. Like, you know, they always want to have that Brazilian play. Brazilian play, so but finally let's style Brazilian, and I don't wanna lie, he brings it 100%. That's what I feel like. If he has him to Sundowns other Brazilians, but I didn't think he showed a good team. Ribeiro, I'm not saying he's too much for us, but he's too skillful for foreign teams. So I don't wanna lie. If you could look at Homeboy's finishing, he's good of a finisher. I'm told. Body wise, I don't wanna lie, he's not that tall. I don't come with that much. So we can understand that. But the style of play, his pace, he's very pacey, bruh. Very, very pacey. So what I'm saying is, I feel like Ribeiro manje, a strength sack. I don't know, I don't feel like he was performing the way he's performing right now, currently. South Africa. Okay, sharp, he's from Europe, second division team. Yeah, I think it was a second division team. But what I'm saying is, Ribeiro is not a player from this side. He's from Brazil. He's very good now in attacking, very pacey. He's good in finishing, and he's good with assisting. So anything he showed was good. Ntate Motsepe is not like your Ntate Motau, nabo cause. Even if they have a good player, even if when the money is right, I'm not sure how much they signed him for. I hear rumors like maybe it's for 2 million or what. I must do my research, but I feel like in fact to Ntate Motsepe, if he bought a player for 2 million and Leo player perform into grand and other clubs buy Mfuna and for probably like let me say 10 million, and obviously they are buying in dollars or in pounds for 10, Ntate Motsepe is gonna take that money. Because why? He's a businessman, and it's going to also help the team to also be able to, you know, sign other players, sell other players, you know, the transfer stuff, you know, is over 7. So anything you show a good team, I don't feel like this player also try more than I'll give him this season, because this season say halfway in. But I'm promising you guys, because this boy is too good for South African football. I'm from German. Because Brazil I'm selecting, because obviously Brazil he's like because you have stars at his position, and youngins. But I'm from German. Other teams could literally use his style of play. Because I don't wanna lie, 2 seasons in just one is within my chance. I can see you lose. But I didn't share like 4 or 5 Orlando Pirates players. Like they are nothing. And the thing it's business. I keep into with our soccer players with some keeper wait rather than letting a player go out abroad. That's really experience, you know. Just like you can see most of the teams we fear, all their players play in the Premier League, or they are playing the, you know, in the big teams and the big leagues and like in the world. But I'm going to chill, man. This boy, I'm giving him probably this season. I'm born in next season. I don't see that with his style of play. I'm from Chela this season. Yeah, cool. But next season, I'm going to he's too big for us, but I'm going to the style of play, the way he's really a Brazilian. You can see that. I'm not saying we don't need that. Say motivating a player way to defender way to work hard, a bit more experience. But I'm going to teams are gonna come for this girl. I'm a team as well phone and if the money is right, I'm full of keep. So I don't wanna lie, bro. I wanted to say that and how do you guys feel? Is this boy gonna finish 2 seasons with Mamelodi Sundowns? Or that young teams? That's how I feel. I mean, I'm feeling like 2 seasons. I'm giving him this one. Because because he is going, like a lot of teams are looking at this point. And by now, I think they are literally coming for this point. That's all, that's my view, but it's my take. You can tell me how you feel about your take in the comment section. From me, Katlego Sparkles, I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.